It's only God that will save us. If I'm on an able keep as well, Ikego, Exodus Biafra TV, one of us, our brother is here. I see your comment. God bless you. And they will report. Happy weekend to you. When and Musa is no longer crying like this. I'm surprised. What happened? So I give pen and give the OG. Yeah, the better one. And man, you might if you get you play. You don't play a bit. Get all working. If not that, all working can be hana. Okay, man, be put on a damn hope that friend I mean see that now. I had that loser. I had actually roll on the if can go to the best loser. The one on a bomb Royce made a post and said that you see the reason why him as a because he said he's a Plutus then that he told the army to stop. He reduced the operation so that he don't want people. That the reason why they did that is because they know that if they do, Ngozi Revez and his gang will celebrate. Will say that their new recruited army is the one doing it. We will go and Ngozi inaugurate. He goes to the one. What are the points? Okay, because my candidate will, oh, why must you bring Caterpillar? Why Caterpillar? Why Caterpillar? When COS said we are recruiting new members, Hatiesem bam 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 bam, new members again and bam, not the recruits bam 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 bam, right? Because of that, people begin to withdraw themselves from joining. I assumed. Then what happened next? Oluzo gained is the Yamaka. What do you have? The same people criticize COS for talking about presence of Caterpillar, anything at all. Mana you go get the non-caterpillars. Then you want caterpillars, you don't want anybody to use caterpillar, which means nature can buy war in cold blood. All those things. Makechi. Amy said definitely okay. Musa can no longer come out. I don't want to talk about it because it is very, very clear that Biafran are getting the point. Okay? How can he come out? They are not. The annoying part is that they don't hide it to you. They will say it in your presence. You suppose to email it. No, if you have if you're supposed to email, and it's working for them, my people. This voice note. Just a moment. I need to. He said, but Biafran have been raising fund. Yes, Biafran have been raising fund, and that fund is going to the army. Let's see, as what again, what again they send, they have total gash, and they send it. And they send it. So, but government will prove that to you, everybody. Just don't bother about that one. Government will prove that to everybody, and they send they go. Okay, and they send they go. It's just that now the issue now, a mouse may go and they look down and send the liata. What I'm gonna say, and they send the to the right person, they go see send the liata. Man, a mouse may go and they send. Money look when that. Please, just a moment. Just a moment. Let me say this. Okay, sorry about that. I have to connect my WhatsApp to my PC so that I will be able to play the audio that I wanted to play here. No going back in Biafra will move. Exodus said in USB government will stand. No going back, not at all. And Moneybank said, but raising fund for this. Biafra have been raising for that. For that fund, they have been using it judiciously, and you need to also accept the fact that everything that PM has spent money to build in the past has been hijacked, and USB is a new government, very, very too. Is it not 2 months or 3 months now? And they started from scratch again, and because of these shenanigans, Biafrans are not contributing the way they normally contribute before. You can testify to that, seeing what is going on in fundraising. Now, hear this. I just want to play this. Let me flash it for you to hear. Okay. The voice